Alright, before we preview our game against Dreams FC, let's take a look at the goal Great Olympics scored against us. So here, now Glasson Awako gets the ball. He moves. Let's stop right here. Alright, now you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Asante Kotoko at this penalty box area with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside the box, compared to Great Olympics 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's 1 outside, 3 inside the box. Now see what Glasson Awako does. He moves and he crosses the ball, and now this guy is free here. 1, 2, 3. These two players here, they are free. Now look at 1, 2, 3, 4. One going to tackle the player, the other one doing nothing. These two occupied with the player here, but who is supposed to be here? Who is supposed to hold this guy? This guy got the free header, and why are these two people here? Why didn't these two people here spot this guy? This is the kind of defensive mistakes we should be watching out against teams in the coming games, because that was shambolic. He literally got a free header. He even had the time to trap it and score the goalkeeper, but he decided to go for the easier option, head and score, and he did that brilliantly. That was unacceptable. I think it was a very, very bad goal to concede, and I think it shouldn't be a goal that team should be scoring against Asante Kotoko. That was very, very poor from the team. The defend, the way they positioned there, it was too poor, and it shouldn't happen again. So last season, the last time we played Dreams FC away from home, we won 1-0. I think it was an own goal they scored, and I'm hoping we are going to beat them again. Johnson Smith likes holding the ball, so I'm expecting Kotoko to possess the ball more against Dreams FC, unless Johnson Smith has changed his tactics overnight, because at Kerala United he controlled the ball. The players controlled the ball when they had it, and I'm hoping they do the same when we play Dreams FC tomorrow. I hope things turn around for us, because it's very troubling and tiring times for Kotoko fans all over the world. So I hope we'll beat them and prepare for our CAF Champions League game against Al Hilal. So I think that's all for today. I'm actually expecting us to win that particular game, maybe 1-0 or 2-1. So if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.